Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Wash Bucket is probably one of the most overlooked tools in your car washing arsenal, but trust me, it's a game changer. Today, we're diving deep into the world of wash buckets, exploring why they're essential for a scratch-free wash and how to choose the perfect one for your needs. We'll cover everything from size and features to durability and value, so you can make an informed decision and keep your ride looking its absolute best. Number 5. Chemical Guys Dirt Trap 02 Cyclone Dirt Trap. This is the Chemical Guys Dirt Trap, a car wash filter designed to protect your car's paint. It uses cyclonic funnels to trap dirt and debris, ensuring a scratch-free wash. This keeps abrasive particles away from your mitt. The dirt trap's textured underside and small holes act as a one-way valve. Dirt is pushed through the funnels and trapped below, preventing it from re-entering the clean water. This design ensures that the dirt stays away from your car's surface. Made with durable materials, this dirt trap is built to last. It's easily cleaned and reused, making it a cost-effective solution for car care. You can rely on it to provide a thorough and safe cleaning experience. The Chemical Guys Dirt Trap is a must-have for car enthusiasts. It effectively traps dirt and grit, preventing scratches during the wash process. It's an essential tool for maintaining your car's pristine condition. Car lovers choose Chemical Guys for the finest car care products and world-class customer support. It's more than a brand, it's a lifestyle with a worldwide following. Join the community and experience the difference. What we like. This bucket insert uses cyclonic funnels to trap dirt, keeping your wash water clean. It prevents scratches by keeping abrasive particles away from your mitt. If you are a car enthusiast who prioritizes a swirl-free finish, this is a must-have. It's perfect for those who want to maintain their car's paint in top condition. What people say. The grit guard at the bottom of the bucket is a game changer. The bucket is a good size for washing a car. The handle is sturdy and comfortable to hold. Number 4. Chemical Guys TORQ Foam Blaster 6, Foam Cannon. Introducing the TORQ Foam Blaster 6 from Chemical Guys. It's incredibly easy to use and attaches directly to your garden hose. This makes professional-grade foaming car washes simple for everyone. This foam cannon features a foam ratio dial. You can customize the suds levels to suit your cleaning needs. From a light rinse to thick suds, it's perfect for any car wash kit. The thick suds encapsulate dirt and grime. This reduces swirl marks and scratches, providing maximum lubrication. It ensures a scratch-free wash on all exterior vehicle surfaces. No pressure washer is required. This foam gun easily attaches to your standard garden hose. It makes car cleaning accessible to everyone. The TORQ Foam Blaster 6 makes car cleaning fast, easy, and fun. This hose attachment easily connects to any standard garden hose. No additional tools or machines are needed. It's built with high-quality materials for long-lasting performance. The quick-release connectors and ergonomic design provide control and convenience every wash. What we like. This foam cannon attaches to your garden hose, making it easy to create thick suds. It offers customizable foam levels for different cleaning needs. If you're looking for an easy and fun way to wash your car at home without a pressure washer, this is the perfect choice. It makes car washing simple and enjoyable for everyone. What people say. The grit guard at the bottom of the bucket is a game changer. The bucket is a great size for washing cars. The wheels and handle make it easy to move around. Number 3. Chemical Guys 14-PC Arsenal Builder Car Wash Kit. This 14-piece kit from Chemical Guys has everything you need. It includes a foam blaster, wash bucket, towels, applicators, and various soaps, waxes, and cleaners to keep your car looking its best. The foam blaster easily connects to any standard garden hose. It sprays thick suds that lift away dirt and grime, making washing your car at home safer and easier. The kit includes premium cleaners and wax from Chemical Guys. You'll find Honeydew Snow Foam Car Wash Soap, Diablo Will Cleaner, and more to detail both the interior and exterior. It comes with a heavy-duty wash bucket, grit guard, microfiber towels, and applicators. These tools ensure a professional, scratch-free detailing experience every time you use it. This kit is perfect for cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and RVs. It provides everything needed for a safe, effective, and fun washing experience, regardless of your skill level. It's the ultimate gift for car enthusiasts or anyone who enjoys DIY projects. Give this kit for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion to upgrade their car care routine. What we like. This kit includes everything you need for a complete car detailing experience. It comes with premium soaps, waxes, and accessories. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution to wash, shine, and protect your vehicle, consider this. It's an excellent gift for car enthusiasts or anyone wanting a professional detailing experience at home. What people say. The grit guard at the bottom is a game changer. The bucket is sturdy and well made. It's the perfect size for washing a car. Number 2. Chemical Guys HOL 129 Car Wash Bucket Kit. This kit from Chemical Guys includes everything you need for a complete car wash and dry. It's a full package designed to make your car cleaning easier and more effective. The kit is made with heavy-duty materials, ensuring durability and long-lasting use. You can rely on it for many car washes to come. The kit includes high-quality citrus wash and gloss and Mr. Pink shampoos. These shampoos lift and lubricate dirt and grime, ensuring a scratch-free cleaning experience. The premium chenille microfiber wash mitt removes and traps dirt away from your car's paintwork. This helps prevent scratches and keeps your car looking its best. Please note that the bucket color, lids, dirt trap, and towel colors may vary. However, the quality and effectiveness of the kit remain consistent. What we like. This kit provides a full 2-bucket wash and dry system. It includes high-quality shampoos to lift dirt and grime. If you want a complete, scratch-free washing and drying solution, this is the right choice. It's designed for those who want a professional-grade wash. What people say. The grit guard at the bottom of the bucket is a game changer. The bucket is a good size for washing a car. The bucket is sturdy and well made. Number 1. Rubbermaid Brute 10-quart Red Bucket. This heavy-duty bucket is built with a thick wall construction, ensuring it can withstand tough conditions. It's designed to last, making it a reliable choice for various tasks. The bucket features molded graduations, allowing for precise measuring. This feature makes it easy to mix solutions or measure materials accurately. It comes with a corrosion-resistant bail and a comfortable plastic grip. This design makes it easy and comfortable to carry, even when it's full. This bucket is ideal for professional use in commercial facilities. Its versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of applications, from cleaning to material transport. With a 10-quart capacity, it's the perfect size for many tasks. It provides ample space for your needs without being too bulky. This product is proudly made in the USA with global components. You can trust in its quality and craftsmanship. What we like. This bucket is built with heavy-duty materials for long-lasting use. It features molded graduations for accurate measuring. If you need a reliable and versatile bucket for cleaning or material transport, you should consider this. It's great for both commercial and personal use. What people say. The grit guard works great. The bucket is sturdy and well made. The wheels and handle make it easy to move around. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.